Welcome home to Cherry Creek North, where lifestyle and location come together in one of Denver's most coveted neighborhoods. I'm Susie Stewartson with the Summit team, and today I'm thrilled to show you this beautifully updated townhome. With over 3,400 finished square feet, a bright open floor plan, a private courtyard for entertaining, and even rare extra parking, this home has it all. Let's take a look inside. Step inside and you're greeted by a bright, open floor plan. To the left, there's space that's perfect for a grand piano or a cozy fireside conversation. It flows seamlessly into the dining area, ideal for entertaining. The heart of the home opens up with the kitchen and great room. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a huge walk-in pantry set the stage. Bonus, the refrigerator and dishwasher are brand new. Another fireplace anchors the family room, and just beyond, French doors lead you to a completely enclosed private patio, a true city oasis. Back inside, you'll find a stylish powder bathroom with a custom sink, convenient and tucked in just the right spot. Head up the oak staircase to the spacious primary suite. Think vaulted ceilings, a ceiling fan, and sense of calm. The spa-like bath features a jetted tub, granite countertops, travertine tile, and a roomy shower. Upstairs also offers laundry, plus a second bedroom with its own ensuite bath, plenty of storage, and oversized closets throughout. And don't miss the loft. It's a flexible space for study, TV room, or cozy hangout, complete with its own balcony overlooking Josephine Street. Now downstairs, the finished basement includes a media room with full egress windows, loads of storage, and a brand new electric water heater paired with solar installed last year. There's also a spacious third bedroom with an attached three-quarter bath, perfect for guests. Finally, the hallway to the attached garage offers even more storage and easy access. This home is perfectly situated just minutes from downtown Denver, giving you quick access to everything the city has to offer, from culture and nightlife to sports and entertainment. Just 2 to 3 blocks away, you'll find yourself in the heart of Cherry Creek North. With more than 200 shops, many of them locally owned, and over 50 restaurants and bars, this vibrant neighborhood has its own unique flavor. Only 4 blocks away, the Cherry Creek Shopping Center brings world-renowned luxury brands together with one-of-a-kind local boutiques. On Saturdays, from May through October, you can stroll the fresh market right outside. And just across First Avenue, Whole Foods makes everyday shopping simple with natural and organic options. Within walking distance, the Denver Botanic Gardens on York Street offers 24 acres of gardens and plant collections from around the world. It's a place that celebrates our unique high-altitude climate and western landscape, and it's a perfect spot for a peaceful walk, picnic, or simply soaking in the beauty of nature. Cheeseman Park is another nearby gem. This 80-acre historic park is known for its sweeping mountain views, lush lawns, and shady trees. It's home to Denver's famous pavilion, notable champion trees, summer concerts, and plenty of room to stretch your legs or walk the dog. And now let's bring it back to this beautiful Cherry Creek North home, right in the center of it all. Thanks for taking this tour with me here in Cherry Creek North. Between the spacious design, smart updates like solar, and an unbeatable walkable location, this is a home you don't want to miss. If you'd like a private showing or more information, reach out today. I'd love to show you why this could be your perfect next home. I'm Susie Stewartson with the Summit team, guiding you home in Denver and beyond.